Hi. So now we'll see how we'll implement our own array list. So let's make a new class for our array list and name it as my array list. Okay, so this is our class. So since array list is based on array implementation, it uses array implementation, so we'll be having an object array where we'll be storing all the elements which are inserted in an array list. So let's name our object array as data store. Oops. Also we'll be having a size variable which will keep track of current size of array list. Okay, so now coming to the constructor. So when instance of my array list is created, we'll create an array of some predefined length. So suppose for our implementation we say that whenever an instance of my array list is created, we'll initialize an array up to length 10. So we'll create an array of size 10. Okay, so now the first operation that we have to support is add operation. And this add operation will return true or false depending on whether the addition was successful or not. So it will add an object to the array list. So how we can add this object to the array? We can simply say data store size equal to O, and we should increment the size and we should return true. So this would be a very simple implementation, but remember, array list is a resizable array. So whenever we are adding an element to a array list, we should first check whether we need to increase the capacity of this array list or not. So we need to increase the capacity of this array list when the data store is full or it reaches a threshold. So in our case we'll take some implementation strategy where we will resize the array when it is almost full. So if data store array length minus the current size of array list is less than equal to 0, so it means it is almost full. So in this case we have to increase the capacity of this array list. So we'll use a method called increase capacity. Okay, so we'll